In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile URL. If you want your LinkedIn profile to look cleaner, more professional, and easier to share, updating your custom profile URL is a great idea. A shorter and more personalized link can be especially useful on resumes, portfolios, email signatures, and job applications. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this fairly simple once you know where to click. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then open your profile page so you can access your profile settings. This is the main starting point for making changes to how your public profile link appears. Once you're on your profile, look for the pencil icon under the section related to your public profile and URL. This takes you into the area where LinkedIn lets you manage how your profile appears publicly. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since the option can be easy to miss depending on the device or screen size you're using. After that, click the pencil icon again under the section called Edit Your Custom URL. This is the specific control that allows you to modify the personalized ending of your LinkedIn profile link. LinkedIn separates the main website address from the custom part you can change. So this is the place where you'll make the actual update. Now, type the last part of your new custom URL into the text box. This is the portion that comes after linkedin.com/in. It's a good idea to choose something professional, simple, and easy to remember. In most cases, using your name or a close variation works best. Try to avoid unnecessary numbers or extra characters unless the name you want is already taken. When you've entered the new custom URL you want, click Save. This will apply the change and update your public LinkedIn profile link. After saving, it's worth quickly checking that the new URL looks correct and matches what you intended to create. If the name is unavailable or doesn't meet LinkedIn's requirements, you may need to make a small adjustment and try again. Keeping your URL clean and consistent can help make your profile easier for recruiters, clients, and connections to find. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn profile URL. Once it's updated, you can start using your new link anywhere you want to share your professional profile.